Hi everyone, welcome to my Sitecore Diaries, your go-to channel for all the things in Sitecore and .NET, your ultimate guide to the digital experience excellence. In last two videos, we have seen personalization. In this video, we will be seeing personas and customer journey. I am your host Jitendra Ghanekar. Do connect with me on my social media accounts. The links are on this screen. What we are going to see in this video, the preview of the video. First of all, we will see what is persona, then we will see what is customer journey. We'll try to find out what is customer journey map, and at the end we will try to understand why persona and customer journey is important for the website design. Before moving ahead, if you are liking the content on this channel, then please do subscribe to the channel. Hit on the notification bell to get the latest update. Please do click on like button and share it with your fellow developers. So let's start today's topic. So what is persona? Personas are fictional characters which you create based upon your research in order to represent the different user types that might use your service, product, site, or brand in similar way. So personas are basically fictional characters, okay, which are close to your real life. So what it does is, depending on the data which you will collect on your website, the analytics data, depending on that research, you will find out that there are different users uh, which has a specific pattern, okay, which has a specific characteristic, who buys your services, products, or site, whatever your goal on your website. Okay, so there is some pattern. So there is some type of a user. So you can have a type A, type B, type C users. Type A follows a certain routes, but type B follows certain routes, type C follows certain routes. Okay, so these types, and they have a specific characteristic, A, B, C. They have some specific characteristics. So those are called as a persona. It is a fictional character which defines the user type on your website. It helps you to understand about your users' need, experience, behaviors, and goals. So personas will help you to understand your visitors' need, your customer need, your their experiences, behaviors, and goals. So what is included in persona? When you say a fictional character, what does it include? It generally include some descriptive name. It will define some descriptive name. Okay. It can have the occupation. It will have the, definitely it will have the demographics data. Then it will have the interest of that persona, goals and objectives, a pain point of that persona. Okay. So these are included in the personas. Then how will you build the persona? How will you create a persona? So there is a four-step process which you need to follow. First, you will conduct a research on your website. For that, you will need a data of your website. Okay, your analytics data of your website. So you have to research. You have conduct get a data and research on that data. Okay, you might need to have asked the right question to the customer or visitor. You might have to collect the data. You might want to ask the right questions to the visitors to get the data. Okay, then dive into your customer interest, goals, and objectives, and the pain points. So then once you got the data, then you will go into details of what is the customer interest, what is its goal and objective, how it is reached to that goals, what are its pain points. Okay, so type A user, how it is followed, what is its interest, type B for what is its interest. So that kind of a activity which you have to perform. Then map the persona to your product. So what kind of a persona you will have, so depending on that you can map the product. Like you have some website, e-commerce website, where we are selling something on that. So there might be a specific kind of a users, like the housewife might be looking for some household products. Okay, uh, 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 engineer or an electronics engineer might looking for some electronic materials. Okay, something like that. You have to map your persona to the product. So let us see one sample persona. Okay, I have given a name to the persona, a descriptive name ABC, a software engineer. So ABC is name, and I'm descriptive name I'm giving a software engineer. You might have need to add the photo. Okay, so this is his picture. Then you can assign some code to it, a code which define the personality. It will define the personality of that persona. Then you can have a bio. So if he's a software engineer, so meet ABC developer, a seasoned professional with 18 years of expertise in software engineering, specializing in software technology, who is looking for a electronics product on our website. Okay, so he's a software engineer. He more is looking for a electronics products on our website. He has some huge experience. Okay, then what is his personal information? Like his age is 40. He's a male. Working. He's a software engineer. Family. He's a married. Kid. Location. Whatever the city, state. Character. Architect. Okay. Then what are the favorite products on our website? His favorite products are headphone, mouse, and laptop. That he likes brands A, B, C. So brand whatever his favorite brands. Then what is the goal? He's looking for electronic products on our website. He's looking for accessories related to laptop on our website, and he's looking for a branded products. What is his favorite activities on the website? Comparing the two products, he compares the two products most. Adding a reviews on the website, he adds the review on the website, and he shares our products on the social media. What are the pain points? The limited product information. He needs a complete information. So limited product information is his pain point. Complicated checkout process. He thinks that our website checkout process is complicated, and the customer support is also a pain point. And what are the most visited pages or sections on our website? He mostly visited on the home page and the electronic product section. So this kind of a persona you can create on your website for the websites. Okay, so this is just one persona. You can have a multiple persona like this. Like you can have a XYZ, a CA, okay, that kind of a persona, a housewife, that kind of a persona you can have. Now we will see a next topic. What is customer journey? Customer journey. It describes the individual steps that a potential customer goes through on his or her journey through the website before ultimately deciding to purchase a product or service from a specific company or a website. So it describes the individual steps. So what is customer journey? It describes the steps, individual steps of a potential customer getting converted into the customer. I mean, into the buyer. Okay, but during it started as a potential customer and converted as a buyer. So between that, what are the steps which he has performed? That path is called as a customer journey. You need a customer journey to know the customer needs and thus convince a potential customer of your company and converts as a buyer. In addition, it should improve the customer experience in such a way that a long-term relationship is created. Why we need a customer journey? Because once you understand the customer journey, you will understand customer needs. It will help you to convince similar kind of a potential customer to convert it as a buyer. Okay, so that is the reason customer journey is important, because once you understand the customer journey, you will understand the customer needs, and accordingly we will make changes in your website journey. The individual phases. So what are the different phases customer journey can have? Customer journey can have a three phases. Pre-purchase phase. So before buying a product, that phase is called as a pre-purchase phase. Then you have a purchase phase when user buys the product. So that phase, buying process, is called as a purchase phase. And post purchase phase, after buying the product, what are the different payers, activities he can do, that is post purchase. The customer generally mostly built into AIDA model. Now, what is AIDA model? A stand for attract here. So attract the attention of the potential customer. First thing is you attract the potential. Okay, attract the attention of the potential customer. First attract them. Okay, then arouse the interest of the potential customer. Arouse the interest to buy that product. Okay, so that is first attract, then you interest. Then arouse a desire of possession in the potential customer. Once the customer has an interest in your product, you make sure that they will have the desire to buy it. Okay, so D stand for desire here. And third is a trigger and action purchased by the potential customer. So you make it them action or buy the product. Okay, so that is AIDA model. So your customer journey, whatever customer journey which you will define on your website, it should have AIDA model. Let's see what is customer journey map. A customer journey map helps you to visualize, depicts your customer journey. So how will you create a customer journey map? First, you decide on your objectives. So what are your objectives? You decide on those objectives. Then consider your customer personas. What are the different personas which you have? Consider those personas. List all the touch points in your customer journey. We'll see what is touch point. So you have to list all the touch point in your customer journey. For each persona we'll have a separate customer journey, and for that you list down your touch points. Map your customer personas to a different touch point. So now whatever your touch points are there, you map it to your persona. So what are touch points? Touchpoints are all the places a customer may have with the company, brand, product, service, or employees. This can take place in the real world as well as in the virtual. So if I talked about if we consider the website only, then in the website you can have a different touch point. Like you can have a web app, okay, you have a mobile app, you can have a website, you can have a email campaigns. So those are the different touch point, and within those touch point also you can have a different section. So you first decide your objective, you consider what are the different personas, you map your touch points. So you have your touch points ready, and then list all your touch point and then map your touch point with your customer personas. Now we'll see why personas are important. First is the target and marketing. So personas help in identifying and understanding specific target audience, allowing marketers to tailor their strategy to address the unique needs, preferences, and behaviors of a different customer segments. So you cannot target all the your visitors. Okay, you can segment your visitors, and you can do a target marketing to the specific users. Okay, specific segment of your customers. So for that, personas are important. Improved product development. Provide a human-centric view of potential users, enabling product teams to design and develop products that align with the expectation and requirement of the target audience. This leads to the more successful and user-friendly product. So improved product development, because you are concentrating on humans. Okay, so the personas which you are created are similar of like a human, right? So you are concentrating on that kind of a development. So it is improved product development. Okay, enhance user experience. Understanding the goals, challenges, and motivations of a different user personas help in creating a more tailored and innovative user experience. Website and apps can be optimized to meet the specific needs of each persona. When you have a persona, different kind of personas defined, and depending on your persona you are defining your website flow. Okay, you are tailoring your website flow, so that will be have the more good customer experience. It is optimized customer experience, so enhanced user experience. Fourth, effective communication. Personas provide a common understanding of a target audience across the different departments within an organization. The organization can have many departments. Okay, so if you define your personas, so all the your department will have a guideline that what kind of a user you have. Okay, so all will have on the same page. So effective communication. The fifth point is the customer centric approach. We already talked about customer centric approach. So business can adopt a customer centric approach. This means aligning business strategies and processes with the needs and preferences of the target audience, ultimately leading to the increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. So you can do a it's similar to what we are talking about target marketing, right? Here also we can have a customer centric approach. You know what kind of a persona, what kind of a characteristic of a visitor which we are expecting. So depending on that, you have the business goals defined, or also you design your websites along with that. Personalized marketing and content. It enables business to create a personalized marketing campaigns and content that resonate with a specific audience segment. This helps in delivering a more relevant and engaging message, increasing the effectiveness of the making efforts. So when you identify the persona, you identify that the user who is visiting your website of this kind of a persona, you will give the specific message to, which is personalized message to that kind of persona. Okay, so whatever like electronics, someone from the electronic persona is buying something, or he is the gender of the visitor, then depending on that you change the messages, change the products. Okay, so those kind of personalized marketing and content you can apply. Seventh is the decision making guidance. Personas serve as a decision making guides throughout the product development and marketing process. Risk mitigation. By understanding the potential pain points and challenges of a different persona, business can proactively address its issues and mitigate the risk. You have done the research, from that research you are defining your personas, and you are defining their pain points also in that persona. So if you are aware about the pain points of the potential user, you can act on that proactively, right? So that will mitigate the risk. Okay, so these are the few what is a few advantages of the persona, or need of a persona. Okay, this will help you to have the better customer experience, okay, due to the personas, and which will lead to the conversion. Uh, that means the more business. So at the end we are looking for a more business, so personas will help you to do so. These are the few references for this topic. Okay, so we have completed today's topic. So next uh, video we will see how we can do the personalization in the site code. All right, so if you like today's content, do click on the like button and share video with your friends and colleagues. Do provide your feedback or ask any question using the comment section. Of course, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell that will give you the updates about the newly uploaded videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching.